Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I could guess one reason why you are watching this video. It's that you want to get a store that has results like this or something similar to this. You know what's crazy? I know exactly how you're feeling right now. You're feeling hopeless, you're feeling tired, and you're feeling lost. You have been searching all over the internet, scrapping TikTok, Instagram, PP ads, everything that you could possibly think of. Find that one winning product. That one winning product that could give you results like these. Now I know exactly how it feels because I've been in your shoes and I've been in the same exact position. And I've been all over YouTube searching for that one winning product that could change my life. And subhanallah, this could be the one video that you need in order to change your life and in order to get that one winning product. But ladies and gentlemen, without wasting even a minute of this video, I'm gonna jump directly into it. First of all, I would like to tell you guys one specific thing. Every single month I do these specific videos where I reveal 5 winning products that you could take advantage of in the next month that's coming. So perhaps you're watching this video in January or perhaps at the first week of February. It is possibly the best time for you to test these products that I'm about to tell you. And one more thing that I'd like to mention, guys, is that throughout this video, I'm going to give you guys one winning product that I promise has the highest chance that could get you guys results. And I'm not joking. I'm not, speaking bluff about it. I know the data. That's all I'm going to say. And I'm going to tell you guys one specific thing, that if you actually watch this video until the end, you will be able to have one winning product, inshallah. So I want you to watch this video until the end, and I want to jump directly into it without wasting any time. Now, one extra thing that I want to clear up before I jump into my screen is that you might be seeing one of the products and you might be thinking, oh, I've seen this product already. Well, you might have seen that product, but there is 5 different products that I'm going to be showing you along with one bonus product. So in total, 6 different winning products. The first one might not be your choice, or you might have seen it already, or you might have tested it already. It might have not worked. What about the second, the third, the fourth, and the fifth? So perhaps you have a chance to actually test each one of these out. And I know for sure that one of these, inshallah, will be the product that you've been searching for the longest time. And if you guys don't know me, my name is Ihsan. I'm an 8-figure store owner here in Dubai. And I basically teach everyone how to get started with dropshipping and e-commerce in the best of my ability, in the most ethical way. And that's why I have a complete free Discord where I reveal one winning product every single day with my team. If you want to join it, it's completely free. Link is in the description. We do not ask you for anything, no credit card, no buying the course, none of that stuff. The Discord is 100% free and you can be a part of the community. The first product that I have in the list, ladies and gentlemen, is this exact product right over here. Now you guys might be asking, what is this product? This is a product that was posted by the Crown Prince of Dubai. Now, not this exact one, because the one that he was using is, of course, something original, something from a really high quality brand. But this is what the dropshipping product is about, right? There is a real one, which is super expensive, like an AirTag, like this one, ski mask. There's expensive ones, but there's also dupes or something that is much more cheaper, which is available for the rest of the people. Like not everyone can buy the original pair for like $1,000, $2,000. So people will look for alternatives. And what better than you providing that alternative to them? So without further ado, let's watch this video until the end. As you guys can see, it's basically a perfect ski mask, and the way that it records, it's literally insane. Now, I watched one more video about this exact product where they used the video, but the quality was really bad. This time, the quality of the video is super nice. And this is exactly how you guys are going to get the customers, right? If the quality of the video is good, of course, you don't have to lie about it, and you have to use the same exact quality of video that the supplier gives you, or you perhaps can film it by yourself. It will 100% work out in your favor. So that is the first product that we have in the list. It's basically a ski mask with the camera, and it's basically a 9 out of 10 kind of a product that I would start selling. I might be already selling it. I'm not going to really expose everything about what I sell and what I don't sell in this video. But anyways, jumping into the second product. This is a product that most of you guys have seen. But let me tell you guys something. These are the products that do really well, especially in the US. Now, this product right over here has so many different functionalities. Like the fact that it has an extra drawer that you can plug in all of your USB, all of your cables, all of that stuff. It even has a switch for on and off. It has extra different, places that you can keep all of your stuff and everything. And there's one secret about this table. The secret about this table is what makes it really special and why most of the people actually buy it. And that secret, ladies and gentlemen, is the fact that it has a secret drawer right at the bottom where you can tap a card. This might not be the exact one, but there is a secret wardrobe or perhaps bedside table that you can actually sell. Now, this might not be the exact one. This is also a very cool product, but there is one that has the entire thing right below it that you can literally tap a card, it opens up the fake or the secret drawer, and then you can put your cash and all of that stuff, which makes it super, super cool. Now, the third winning product that we have in the list is something that is really low ticket, but it is definitely a winning product. And the reason why it's a definitely winning product is because it has so many different winning factors in just one product. It basically has a spray where you can spray the window or, the mirror. It has an entire suction that you can clear up the window and wipe it and all of that stuff. And then you can clear it off and it looks so satisfying. I mean, look at this video, guys. A lot of people actually buy stupid products like this. Of course, it's not stupid. I'm just calling it stupid because of the fact that it's a dropshipping product. But this is one of those dropshipping products that's really low ticket, but has a really high advantage that you guys could sell. Next, we have this product, which is a heated facial massager. If you guys didn't know, in Facebook, one of the best selling product is these kind of products. Anything that solves a problem, anything that is specifically for females, they always do super well. And this is one of those products. This is basically for jawline and as well as for the body and as well as even for the neck. Now, it could be used by men, it could be used by females, and the store actually doesn't look really bad. I would rate it a 6 out of 10. Of course, one of you guys could do 10 times better than this, but this is another winning product that would do wonders on Facebook, and I truly believe that. The next winning product that we have in the list is the Satin bedsheet, and the reason why it's such a good winning product is because everyone is trying to get a comfy bed. Everyone is trying to get into something that makes them sleep like a baby. And this is one of those products that influencers post, random people post, and of course these people who sells it on TikTok, and of course their dropshipping store post these kind of videos, which makes it super satisfying to watch. And a lot of people love this kind of product because of how comfortable it looks. So for me, this would be an 8 out of 10 of a product. Last but not least, I know I took you guys on a road, on a journey that I told you guys this one product could have the highest chance. Now I've kept it for the last. For those people who, of course, subscribed, left a like maybe, and I would appreciate it if you guys did. If you guys didn't, completely fine. This is still for you. This is basically what the product looks like. Now, I'm not emphasizing on you guys selling dupes. Anything that is glowy, anything that has to do with watch, with bracelets in the USA is one of the best products that you could sell. And the reason why I'm saying this is because there's a new genre or there's a new wave of blinging diamonds on blinging stuff that could be either dupes or it could be actual real watches. Now, just like this one right over here that you guys can see, iced out watches. Now, this might not be Rolex, might not be Cartier, but it looks very similar to it. And these are the guys that are literally printing. I promise these guys make so much money because they get this exact piece for $500, sell it for $1,000. That's literally 50% profit margin on a high ticket drop shipping product. Again, I'm not emphasizing on you guys selling dupes. I'm not sure if it's halal even to do that. But what I'm trying to tell you guys is literally sell buzz down watches that could not be a dupe, could be something that is of your own brand. That is something which is available with the supplier, because the supplier doesn't only have Rolexes and Cartiers. They also have other similar products or similar watches that doesn't have a brand on it. And I mean it, guys. This is one of those products that if you start selling it right now, it's literally the best possible time. There's a wave, and if you catch that wave, you're going to be making the most amount of money. So perhaps this right here is one of those examples. Now, if you watch this video until the end, make sure you comment I watched, and I'll be basically maybe giving a surprise to some of you guys. I'm not sure yet, but if I see that there's only a limited number of people saying I watched, you guys might get a surprise. Also, make sure you subscribe and leave a like, and I'll see you guys in the next month's winning product if we were live, inshallah. Jazakallah khair, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Assalamu alaikum.